Last time MS Dhoni led Chennai was in 2022. That too after Jadeja stepped down from captaincy middle of the series. It didn't change any fortunes for them. They ended up on 9th on the table. But it was that COVID year where the matches happened at DY Patil and Wankhede. It was not in different condition. We know for the fact that Chennai had built the team to play in Chepauk, where it will help their spinners to come into party. And it was pretty unfortunate it didn't work out. And this time around, Ruturaj Gaikwad has been ruled out of the season and MS Dhoni is back as captain. So I think there's a lot of excitement around that aspect, because it's always good to listen what he says, and he speaks really well. So I'm sure everybody will be looking up and waiting for the toss to happen just to hear what his point of view is, what about the team, how they're going about, and what they need to do to change their fortunes. They've lost 3 games in a row now. They've never lost 4 games in a row. So that is something, it's never happened in the history. And it is back in the hands of the man who's done so well for Chennai, won 5 trophies, to make sure that they get them back in that points table, because they're in the bottom right now, and then they really need to start winning their home games where they have the squad to do it. Losing out Ruturaj, apparently, if you look at it right now, the best batter in their squad, and you'll need someone to replace him straight away. You don't have many options. There's a couple of youngsters that are really exciting. We talk about intent. Someone like a Vansh Bedi, can be destructive. But CSK is known for giving opportunity to experience. So will they go back to Tripathi at number 3, and will they look into having another all-rounder of someone like a Sam Curran instead of Noor Ahmed, just to strengthen their squad even more? On the other hand, the match is happening in Chepauk and they're playing Kolkata. They lost the last game against Lucknow in their home ground. They'll be wanting to go about their business and win the game. They are the defending champions, but I kind of feel there is a lot of chopping and changes as in the batting order, especially to maintain that right-left combination. And I kind of feel you need to make sure that you send in your Russells and Rinku higher up the order to get the job done. And again, I'd probably expect one change from them. Moeen Ali might come back. He knows Chepauk really well, and Spencer Johnson has been expensive, so probably use Russell in between if you need pace, and then you have your spin bowling attack. Kind of feel that Kolkata probably might have an upper hand, but you never know. It's MS Dhoni who's back captaining the squad, and I expect it to be a close game. For more cricketing and sporting information, visit Dafa News.